Click on Add Class, type in the details of your class, your name and enrollment key that the students will get to join your class, the subject, student's age. Then you can choose a date that the class will stay open until, and then you click Submit and it'll make a class for you. This is the class ID and enrollment key that you give to the students. Click on the class and click on Add Assignment. Type in a title that the students will see, and if you like you can assign a points value to give the students a grade. I usually assign 3. You can change the dates over here for when it is due and then click on Submit. To add a student's file yourself, you want to be in the class, click on View, click on Submit File, type in the student's name, or you can find them if they've already enrolled in your class. Give the assignment a title so that when you download it later you know what it was. And then you need to find the file on your computer. Click on Upload. You need to wait for it to upload because you will be asked to confirm, just like the students are asked. Then click on Confirm and you've added the student's assignment. Okay, you need to be in class, click on View, then you look for the student's assignment that's been submitted, and when you open it up you see that this is the student's assignment and we can write in feedback on this. So if I scroll down to say question 8, I can then click on my quick marks. Brings up a panel of all the different things I've typed in previously and saved. And I have some information here for question 8 which I can click on, drag across and drop. Now this provides a student with information I've already typed, but if I want to give them something more personal just for this question, I can add it down the bottom. Another way to use quick marks is to just click somewhere on the white page of the assignment and use the tick. It brings up a panel to the side. This is useful if I know what it is I'm looking for to add. Now let's click on question 8 and the same information appears. I can delete that, move it around, delete it if I chose the wrong thing. I can also add just a normal comment to the student by clicking on the bubble, and I can type anything that I want in here. So if I'm telling the student that you need to put some pictures in and you have to refer to them, they get this information. Now if I know that lots of students are going to require the same information, I can save this to quick marks. I can give it a title, Diagrams Needed, so that I can use this feedback over and over again on anybody's assignment. As you can see, the diagrams needed has been added over to my quick marks panel, and I can click, drag on it and drop it on any student's work. As you can see, I have lots of different subjects already set up with different quick mark comments that I use regularly. This just saves time when providing feedback, so that I can just go into the class that I need and most of my comments are already there. If I click on a comment, I can see what it actually says down the bottom here so that I don't waste time looking for something or provide the wrong information. I can click up here to look at the overall comments list, and this is where I can make any changes or add in extra information. I can also add a comment to another set so that when I'm giving the feedback it's appearing in, for example, math, if I wanted it there. If I want to make changes, I can click on the edit button and then add in some more information or fix any mistakes that I have there, and then all I need to do after I finish typing is press save, and the comment has been changed in all of the folders that it's kept in. So you can go in here to see all of the different comments. There are a lot of preset comments that have been done by Turnitin, but you can add your own. You can archive these, remove them if you don't want them, so they're not in your way, or put them in different sets as you need them. So to download, you need to click over here to highlight all the students, and then we'll go over to download button. And what we want is to download the grading paper so that it actually has the grades on it. Now this will create a zipped folder for you, and you'll get a message, and once you click on it, it will download all of the files. This will be rather quick because there's only one file. And then you just double click on the download, and the students' assignments as PDFs will be in here. So double click and we open it up. As you scroll through, or as your students scroll through, they can see the comments that you've made. I've made a comment on question 8, and here's the other comment that we added. And then when you scroll right down to the bottom of the document, this is where they'll see their grade that you gave them, as well as the comments, and it tells them what page that comment was on.